First open Start and type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset. Wait for the Windows Store to be repaired. Close the store and restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and then type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the white frame. Select Edit and then Paste. Press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now restart. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start. Click on Settings. Click on Apps. Go to Apps and Features. Locate the Microsoft Store. Click on it and select Advanced Options. Locate Reset. Click on Reset. Press Reset again. Wait for the Windows Store to reset. Open the Windows Store. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type net-stop-WindowsServe and then press Enter. Type net-stop-crypt svc and then press Enter. Type net-stop-bits and then press Enter. Type net-stop msi server and then press Enter. Type ren/Windows/software distribution.old and then press enter. Type ren/Windows/System32/catroot2 catroot2.old and then press enter. Type net start WowServe and then press enter. Type net start crypt svc and then press enter. Type net start bits and then press enter. Type net start msi server and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter. Now open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type wuauclt.x/update now and then press enter. Type exit and then press enter. Now restart. Windows Update should be repaired.